Hey there, I'm Jamey with Healthline, and in this video we'll talk about the meal delivery service Factor. We'll talk about the menu options, the subscription pricing, and I'll even get to give it a little taste test. As with all the brands we feature at Healthline, Factor went through our rigorous vetting process and came out Healthline approved. They also didn't pay us to make this video. So let's jump in. All right, let's check out the box. Right away, got a little 3 weeks worth of Factor meals. So far looking like really sustainable packaging. This is all recyclable materials. It's like shredded cardboard fluff. We have a big ol' ice pack that is recyclable. There's instructions here on how to recycle it. And we ordered 4 meals. This is keto chorizo chili, creamy tomato and herb turkey ragu, chicken piccata, and creamy Parmesan chicken, a whole lot of chicken. And that's it for our box. Okay, let's talk about subscription and pricing. You can choose between 4, 6, 8, 12, or 18 meals per week, and the pricing changes depending on how many meals you order. The cheapest option is the 18 meals a week, and that still comes out to $11 per meal. This was a box of 4, and it came out to $15 a meal. So it can get pretty pricey if you're not going for the larger subscription, but if you're somebody who's on the go or eats out a lot, it might work for you. Just weigh the pros and cons for your lifestyle. If you're someone who's just as comfortable meal prepping and cooking throughout the week, that might be the more cost-effective way for you to go. Something else to consider is the quality of the ingredients. I'm seeing a lot of words on here like no refined sugars, preservative-free, non-GMO, antibiotic, and hormone-free. So you also want to consider the quality of the ingredients when factoring in the price. Let's try something, shall we? I'm gonna go with this creamy tomato and herb turkey ragu. All right, my turkey ragu is out of the microwave. It arrived fresh and it took less than 5 minutes to heat up, so convenience points. Wow, that's some aggressive film. All right, taste test, here we go. It's good. The turkey ragu is really good. Flavor's awesome. This is a keto meal, which I wouldn't normally order because I don't follow a keto diet, but the fat content is out of control on this one. So you need to really take a look at each of the menu items. They do a really good job of highlighting keto, low carb, vegan, whatever the specific meal type is, but that really is Factor's bread and butter is diet-specific meals. What I will say too is that they're all very well balanced regardless of the meal type. There's a veggie and a protein and a carb in almost every single menu item that we saw. So flavor points, convenience points, yeah, pretty good. Okay, so let's talk pros and cons. On the pro side, this was so easy. It arrived at my house, I heated it up in 5 minutes, and I have a meal. Shipping is also free, which is a pro, because that's not always the case with meal delivery companies. And I think the biggest pro of all is that it really caters to diet-specific needs, especially people who follow a keto diet or are looking for low-carb or low-calorie meals. On the con side, the price is something to consider. Again, if you're on the go, it might be worth it to spend $11 on a meal. But if you're looking to save money, it's definitely going to add up over time. And another con is that there aren't as many vegan or vegetarian options, although there are some, but not as many as some of the other prepared meal delivery services. If you have any questions about Factor, you can go ahead and pop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified when we upload new videos from Healthline.